Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show sort of what happens when you have a page that contains images without alt text. So I have this example page which has a title, cat pictures, some text, and then some images of a cat. And if I'm a sighted user, then that's probably all the information I need. But if I am not a sighted user, if I'm using a screen reader, let's sort of see what happens. So I'm going to turn on Talkback by holding in both of the volume buttons.
Talkback on. Cat pictures. Heading 1, encode pen, image without alt text, encode pen, image without alt text.
Okay, so I have enabled Talkback. Let me swipe right.
Check out these cat pictures.
And I'm going to swipe one more time to get to an image.
Stanley -1. Graphic.
And by default, what Talkback just read was the file name. So Stanley -1, it's like Stanley -1 was the name of this image. This was my cat Stanley. But if you can't see the cat that's on the screen, you don't know that Stanley -1 is a picture of a cat, or let alone what the cat is doing in the picture. So I'm going to swipe right one more time.
Stanley -2. Graphic.
And you can imagine that this is on a web page with a lot of different images, and maybe the images are even less informative, where it's just kind of random letters and numbers often, and the experience is pretty terrible if I'm a screen reader user, because I have no access to the information that is in the images. So yeah, that's what it looks like if you don't have alt text to a screen reader user. In the next video, I'll show what it looks like if you do provide alt text, but hopefully this helps you gain some empathy for your screen reader users.